we're gonna draw a bird. Let's draw a circle into here. After you've done the circle, make an oval shape like this. Make an oval shape. And second of all, you're gonna draw a single oval like this. And you're gonna draw a tall leg, you know. And the second of all, a second tall leg. You can erase it, you know, this is it. And you can edit it. No, wait a second. I will done it. Wait. And you done it. And the second of all, you're gonna draw a line here. And another line here. And you're gonna draw the brush. You're gonna do it like this. You're gonna draw a brush. It's okay if you're different. It's not too easy not to draw. And you're gonna draw like this. It's, you know, it's extra long, but the problem, you can guys edit it. Yeah, it's normal, you know, you can edit it. After this, you're gonna draw an eye, a single eye. I mean, no, not an eye. You're gonna draw a line. First thing of all, you're gonna draw a line. I have a line, and you're gonna draw, you know. You can do it, you know, taller than. You can do it taller. You can do it like this. Yeah. You can delete this, not this eye. You can delete it, and you done it. You're gonna draw an eye here. And after this, you're gonna switch. If you have a marker, switch to it. I don't have a marker. I will do it like this. First thing first, you're gonna put here, you know, make it different, you know. I do it like this. And after of all, you're gonna draw this, like this. You're gonna draw it like this. After all, you done it. Guys, it's not easy. Yeah, guys. You can switch to it. You're gonna do like this and this. And guys, you're gonna draw. You're gonna draw like this. Thingy. You're gonna do it like this. After this, you're gonna do it like this. And after this, you're gonna do you're gonna draw a wing, a little wing. After this, you're gonna draw, his leg. Do it like this from here. And after this, draw. And after this, you're gonna draw. You can edit it. And after this, look at this. Please like and share and subscribe for Adam channel. Okay? Second of all, you're gonna draw this. And you're gonna draw this. And you can draw this if you want. Make it. You can do a line from here. A big fat line here from here. And you done it. You draw your own. You can maybe make it a little taller. Yes. Look pretty. Do it from here. Draw his eye, and from here, made another line. Guys, I will edit it. Wait a second. You can sorry guys, you're gonna draw this guy. You're gonna draw a line here, and you're gonna draw a line there. If you wanted to make it, little, you can make it thickest. Actually, make it a thickest.